Welcome to Bosch's Technical Support on Demand video series, the DIVAR IP3000 Initial Boot Process. When deploying the DIVAR IP3000 for the first time, there are certain physical connections on the back of the appliance that must be made for the deployment to be successful. When viewing the back of the appliance, there are two video connections that can be made, a VGA connection and a DVI connection. For initial deployment, you must use the VGA connection on the back of the appliance. Due to the physical architecture of this appliance, the DVI connection is not available for up to 2 minutes after the operating system boots. An active Ethernet link is also required before proceeding any further. After initially booting the appliance, you will be taken to the Windows Storage Server 2008 R2 setup process. The first step in this process is choosing your language. Make the appropriate choice and then select Next. Your next Windows setup screen should be country or region, time and currency, and keyboard layout. Make the appropriate choices and select Next. The last setup step will be accepting the Microsoft user agreements. Select I accept in both checkboxes and hit Start. After selecting Start, Windows should initialize and you should see the message preparing your desktop. After a few moments, you will be prompted to log in. Go ahead and select Ctrl-Alt-Delete. This should take you to the Windows login page. The default user account and password for all DIVAR IP devices is BVRadmin with a password of WSS for Bosch. Both should be treated in a case-sensitive manner. After presenting your credentials, Windows will prompt you that you have to change your password before logging in for the first time. Select OK. After selecting OK, you will be prompted to enter your new password. For support reasons, you should enter the exact same password that you initially logged in with, WSS for Bosch, and it is case sensitive. After re-entering your password, select the next arrow. You should receive a message that says your password was successfully changed. Select OK. After selecting OK, a series of scripts will run on your DIVAR IP3000. Do not interrupt these scripts while they're running. These scripts define your drive letters and iSCSI targets for VRM. Interrupting this process can lead to reduced storage space or non-recording. These scripts may take several minutes to execute. Please be patient. After they successfully executed, the appliance will automatically reboot. After rebooting, the appliance will boot directly to a kiosk screen. From this interface, you can use the Quick Configuration Wizard. The icon is circled here and will be covered in a later module. At this point, you can also switch your graphics over to the DVI adapter. Remember, any time in the future that you need to do maintenance involving images or the BIOS, you will have to use the VGA adapter. This concludes this tutorial. Thank you.
Bosch, invented for life.